Governor Polis giving us an update on COVID-19 in our state, as well as vaccine distribution, and a couple of big headlines coming out of today's news conference, including the fact that based on current supply and supply projections here in the state, the governor says that eligibility should open for all adult Coloradans who want the COVID-19 vaccine by mid-April. Now, that is not only moving up Colorado's timeline of late April and early May, it would also potentially beat President Biden's timeline of trying to get all Americans eligible for the shot by May 1st. Another headline to come out of today's news conference, Phase 1B4, the next phase that was set to open around March 21st, now has a specific date of opening. That will be March 19th. Now, that is for essential workers, restaurant workers, frontline state and local government employees, postal workers, as well as the largest group, 50 plus. So that means come March 19th, anyone 50 years or older will be eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. This is the largest subsection of a group so far that the state has opened things up to, estimated at 2.5 million people. Again, that starting on March 19th, then the general public, that would be the next phase. There's only 2 phases left, would open for vaccine eligibility come mid-April. The governor says he hopes to have more specific details on a date for that coming out in the next week or so. One more thing that the governor spoke about was as we start to open up and need to vaccinate so many more people, we need places to do that. They put out the idea of several state-run mass vaccination sites. We now know when those are going to open, including those in Mesa and El Paso County opening on March 17th, one at Dick's Sporting Goods Park, the Ranch in Larimer County, and the Pueblo State Fairgrounds opening on March 22nd, and then one here in Denver at the Ball Arena, home of the Nuggets and Avalanche, would open around April 1st. Now, the governor and state health officials estimated that at each one of those sites, they could give out about 6,000 doses of the vaccine per day. So as we ramp up and ultimately then open things up to the general public, the need will be there. The hospitals can't do it themselves, so that's why those large state-run mass vaccination sites will be up and will be open. The goal, according to the governor, is to get every adult in Colorado who wants the vaccine, as many as possible, to get that first dose by mid-May to late May, which would mean their second dose in mid to late June, to get as many people inoculated and immune to this virus just in time for President Biden's July 4th goal.